New client here in San Luis Obispo. We're doing a full pet treatment all through the house. Actually, no parking here on the street, so really tight. When I pulled through here, I heard ee! So hopefully those scratches buff out of my beautiful van. But anyway, San Luis Obispo, they're about 30 miles an hour. We're trying to get more, or 30 miles away. We're trying to get more business over here. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and boost my pre-spray, make the Green Rhino cocktail, because she smells odor, urine, okay? And there's just pet stains everywhere, so that's the best bet. So I do for a normal size home, for all over, I have a certain price for that. So instead of just, nitpicking every room. So 120, I'm doing a full pet treatment every square inch of this floor, and we're gonna get it looking good. So some of it's wool. So what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna dilute this down to only about 5%. 5% is gonna be fine. They say not over 3% for wool, but right in between there. And then after that, I'm gonna boost it up even further for the rest of the carpet. Okay, and then we're gonna add the Sagerside eucalyptus for the odor, and the peroxide, of course, is for the stains and stuff. And then I got carpet details in there. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and boost to about 3 to 5% for the wool. Spray that, let it dwell. I'm gonna go ahead and put more and get it about 10%. All right, and of course that's gonna be in it the whole time. Get rid of that odor, all right? All right, so she brung these rugs into a rug spa, and she said when she got a bath, they didn't look much better than this. So we're gonna see if we can do better. We will. All right, so she went ahead with the multi-wash and scrub CRB, everything in. Yeah, I know there's nowhere to move the furniture, so we kind of gonna work it back and forth and move that back and forth and go under it with the wand. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pre-spray the rest of the house. All right, so definitely when we do pet treatments, we do a little extra. We do extra with the pre-spray. And so normally, normal cleaning, they say morning dew is good enough, but we do a little bit more than that. Especially, I just kind of run it. I measure my pre-spray to what I think it's going to be. It's usually about 2 gallons will cover 5 areas. Then I just kind of go back and use it all up in those areas, and and agitating it into the fiber deep to the bottom really makes a difference, right? If you're doing pet treatments and you're not agitating, it's not really, you're not get the best results. Since I've been doing this pet treatment called the Green Rhino cocktail, I've never had a call back on odor issues. So note that one, guys. All right, time to extract, the fun part. This is when we see the results. So like I said, when she took the rugs in, she didn't love it, right? And we're gonna see. Okay, we did agitation on there and made sure that we got enough dwell time. We don't get the backing of the carpet rug wet because we turned down the PSI to about 200 PSI. Right, a lot of people don't want to clean rugs on wood and stuff like that. If you know what you're doing, it's not a problem. Alright guys, so if you want to start a carpet cleaning business, I do offer training. I don't like to call it a course, but that's what it is basically. But it's training on how to build your carpet cleaning business. Actually how to build it so you succeed. Because it's not about just knowing how to clean carpets. You got to know how to build the business so you don't be one of those businesses that fail. So link below all my videos, down below. You go to the drop down, it'll say more, hit that, and you'll see a bunch of links. Also, if you're looking for my app, the app that I use, House Call Pro, that takes care of everything. I mean, it's a game changer. Link's also down below there, and you can get half off with that link. So make sure you use that link. All right. If you guys ever get overheated, all right, wrapping it up. Those rugs, as I was cleaning them, so I broke my number one rule. Don't clean rugs unless you know exactly what it is or have the tag on it. So I knew it was wool, but I'm thinking it might be a wool viscose blend. I'm hoping not. She'll know tomorrow, but we got fans on there. Uh-oh. That's not good. All right, guys, so she was super happy. She said it looks great, smells great. So yeah, that's it for this one. I got the ticket at the end of the video. Should be here right now. And job took us an hour and a half. See you in the next one. Only problem with me and Brenda working together, we always go to eat too big for lunch. Don't we? Don't we? So this is Shell Beach, California. We come here a lot. We're working in San Luis. We like to just go to the beach when we're done, you know? We'll have lunch. Cool neighborhoods. It's where you got like multi-million-dollar homes and a little 1950s 900 square foot home in between. You can see that over there. It's weird the way it's set up, but it's cool. It's cool. Anyway, this is where I work, guys. Central Coast, California. I know a lot of people don't like California, and I get it because the prices. It's crazy. But man, I couldn't see myself living anywhere else. I know this isn't related to carpet cleaning, but anyway. Great thing about carpet cleaning is you can have $1,000 day and be off by 1 and head to the coast. Enjoy the rest of the day. So summers are great.